Your backyard got a problem. Too much sun. Look at this. The best curtain. No one has a curtain like this. Material is tough, strong, waterproof. It's 300 GSM density. It gives you 99% UV block, 99% truly relieve the heat. It blocks 95% of the light. You are completely protected. Waterproof, check it out. 100% waterproof. It handles every kind of weather. Plus, you now have complete privacy. It is durable. It is insulated. Look at the protection. Privacy, UV, water. Perfect for your porch, your deck, your pergola. It works everywhere. By Royal Shade. The best curtains.